In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to increase sales for your e-commerce store and help customers 24/7, 365 days of the year. I'm also going to show you a couple of problems with existing solutions out there that people are using for their e-commerce stores. So let's say I want to buy a watch as a Father's Day present, and I'm on the Nixon website. So they have a variety of really stylish watches designed in California, but I don't want to scroll through all of these options and categories and filters just to find the watch that I want to buy. So down on the bottom right here, you can see that they're using live chat agents. There's a chat with us option. And it looks like they're currently closed because they are offline, probably because they're in another country. And if you want help, you need to send an email. It's safe to assume that if you catch them when they are online instead of offline, you would be able to chat with a real person about your questions. We can see the problem with this already is that most companies don't employ people to work all throughout the night, which is why they're offline right now. And a customer like me hopping onto this website at 5 p.m. on a Tuesday wouldn't be able to get the help that I need. So this is not an ideal solution at all. So let's take a look at another e-commerce website. So I'm on the Fossil website and they also sell watches for Father's Day. And because I don't want to scroll through all 141 results of watches, I can go to this chatbot down here and hope to get some help. Okay, so it looks like they have some sort of automated digital assistant that can help with my questions. So let me try to ask something really simple. Can you recommend a watch for Father's Day? I'm afraid I didn't understand that. Can you please try wording your response differently? So it looks like this chatbot doesn't really understand anything at all. And instead, I have to click on one of these options. So let me click on something random. Keep clicking. No. Okay. 100 clicks later, have I answered your question today? No. Now, finally, I'm presented with the option to chat with a real person. So yes, let's chat with a real person. What is your email address? Type in my email. Please provide extra information. Can you please recommend a watch for Father's Day? Now, this is already so many steps, and any other person would have left the website right away or tried to scroll through all 141 options of watches. And here we have a real person ready to help. So neither of these chatbots automate much of the customer service for these two e-commerce websites. But there is a way better solution, and I'm going to build one for you in this video. So stick with me until the end because you're going to want to go ahead and do this for your e-commerce store and start using AI to help customers and recommend products and boost those sales. So starting in the knowledge base tab, we've got all these options for how we can import data about that particular store. And I'm going to copy paste the website URL and add a link, paste it into this box right here, click identify. Now VOC AI is going to crawl the entire website, grab all the pages with all the different types of watches. I'm going to click next step, and now it's taken all this data from all those different pages and put it into the mind of the chatbot. As you can see, the AI is now learning information from 1,860 links, and all of this information is going to go to the mind of the chatbot. This chatbot is now ready to use immediately, so click on test now and let's start asking some questions because we have got all their products in our database. So the first thing you want to do is to enable multi-round conversation, which allows you to have back and forth conversations with the chatbot. And we're just going to pretend like this chatbot is now on the Fossil website. So let's say something like, can you recommend a watch for Father's Day? For Father's Day, consider this stainless steel watch. It's perfect for dads who appreciate both style and functionality. We have some beautiful pictures here straight from the website, and there is even an add to bag link right in the chat so that, let's say you're interested in buying this beautiful blue watch, you can click right here in this link and it automatically adds this product into your shopping cart ready to be purchased. Now imagine that was on the website, the difference that would make for the customer, being able to find exactly what they want whenever they want. Let's say 11 p.m. on a Saturday night where there usually wouldn't be customer support staff waiting to answer questions, and they can get their answers straight away and not have to browse through all 141 watches on this whole website, all the subcategories and filters, all that hassle prevented. Now you've got this whole selection of different watches which you can buy straight away. So from the customer's point of view, this is going to be gold. Now let's look at it from the e-commerce store owner's point of view. Unfortunately, I don't have access to the Fossil website, but if I did, embedding this chatbot would be super easy. You just go to system integration here and click on live chat and copy this one line of code right here and then just put it into the header of the site. Before you embed the chatbot, you can even customize the appearance to make it look really nice and match the website. So let's go to the Fossil Facebook page, for example, and we can just grab their logo. And once I've downloaded their logo, I can upload it right here and boom. The Fossil logo is in the chatbot, and this is what the customer would see when they go to their website. You can even customize the live chat icon. There's 3 different options. You can put in the agent name. So here I can type in Fossil Canada, or I can just type in Fossil if I want. You can also customize the name. You can even add a signature here. So if I wanted to display digital assistant, for example, I can do that. And if you don't want your customer to know that this is an AI chatbot, you can even just put Jessica, because that's how human-like VOC AI is. You can customize the welcome message, so I can say like, hello, how can I help you? Or hi, how are you doing today? There's 3 options for the dimensions of the chatbot, so I can make it small, medium, or large. And for the theme color, I'm just going to leave it black because the Fossil logo is black and white, so that way the chatbot is going to look like it's part of the website and it's all going to look very cohesive. Beautiful. So now we've got a perfect chatbot that can answer all the questions and looks exactly like it's part of the Fossil website. You can even see the chat history, which is located inside the smart inbox. And here's where you can see all the chats that have been going on between the AI and customers. And here you can monitor, you can export and download it if you want to, and you can see which questions the AI was able to answer and which questions had to be transferred to an agent. Now the AI is going to answer correctly 99% of the time. The only time it won't know what to say is because it doesn't have the information to that question that the customer is asking for. So everything is in the knowledge base. These are all the links that were used to train the chatbot. So if you haven't given the AI this information, it's not going to know what to say, but that's okay because we can easily upgrade the knowledge at any time in the Q&A tab by writing your own questions and answers. You want to click on add items and FAQs, and you can type in whatever question you want. So I can say like, where are your watches made? And whatever answer that might be. So it could be, they are made and designed in California. And place it in a folder to keep your FAQs organized, click confirm, and that's it. That extra knowledge has now gone into the chatbot's brain, and anytime a customer asks this question, the chatbot is going to know the information and it's going to reply correctly. And this chatbot is just going to get better and better as you train it to the point where you barely have to do any more work with it. It will answer everyone's questions that comes through the website. So really powerful tool. Just imagine how much money that would cost you to employ someone to do this manually, 24/7, 365 days of the year. How expensive that would be. Whereas the AI can do it extremely well and even to a higher standard. Let me just show you something. Let me try asking a more complex question. Something like, do you have any watches that are waterproof, for example? Wow, so look what we have here. Fossil Blue GMT, this watch is water resistant up to 100 meters. There's some beautiful photos. There's the Fossil Breaker, and this is a 20 ATM water resistant, and of course with the buy links as well. So I would argue that AI can provide better customer service than real people, because imagine a real customer service staff trying to sift through all 141 watches on the website just to find all the waterproof watches and send it to the customer with all of the links. How long that would take, whereas this only took a few seconds for the AI to come up with. And if you're worried that the AI is going to say some random things that are made up when it doesn't have the information, VOC AI has designed it so that you have complete control over what the AI does when they don't know how to answer a question. So you can make the AI transfer this to a human agent, or you can make the AI ask the customer to contact a certain email for support, anything you want. So you don't have to worry about causing mishap. This is going to be a huge upgrade to any live chat support you're currently using for your website. So if you want to give it a try, go to voc.ai and click on AI chatbot and train your own chatbot for your e-commerce store so that you can give your customers the same high level of customer service 24 hours a day effortlessly. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.